BittyBrush. Hi, today we will draw a beautiful umbrella. It turns out great. Umbrella handle. And now let's paint the umbrella in different colors. The color is red. The color is orange. Yellow color. The color is blue. My favorite color. And what color do you like? The handle is red. Wow, what a bright umbrella it turned out to be. Subscribe to the channel.